Hi folks, Will at LR Workshop. My headlight rings were crusty and horrible, and there are a myriad of screws around this ring. I couldn't find anywhere online that satisfactorily told me which screws to undo. So I've made this video to pass on that information. So the adjuster screws are at the 12 o'clock position and the 9 o'clock position. Other than that, there's only one screw you have to do down in the bottom right here. Unscrew that, and then you should be able to twist the headlight clockwise. Pops out at the top. When the headlight ring's got these notched cutouts that allow you to rotate it, and they slot into the collars on the screws. Once you've got the headlight, it's just a case of taking off these three little screws. Don't forget to keep hold of the three clips that will fall off the back. And that will separate the headlight bezel from the headlight. It may be worth getting a kit to replace these. There is a headlight adjuster kit available, part numbers on the screen. These were pretty corroded as well. But once you've taken all three of the screws out, all you've got to do is press it out and prise it off the edge of the headlight. Easier said than done in some circumstances. This headlight bezel is absolutely disgusting. It's completely rotten. Blech. This is the other headlight bezel. It actually corroded through. So here's a quick check you can do on your headlights. Give them a tap and see if they sound like this. If they do, it means that the lens is separating from the reflector on the body. So luckily, I had another headlight in my garage. So I'll be fitting that one. But this is a check you can do before you take the headlights off. You'll be able to hear the tapping sound probably. So there's the new stainless steel headlight bezel. This one's from Bearmac. You just want to make sure the Y-pack is the right way up, and then you get the notches at the 9 o'clock and the 12 o'clock positions. This is what the clips look like when they're fitted. You can't really get them the wrong way around. You need the lip of the edge to go over the front of the bezel, and then the little ears on the back of this clip go down on the sides of the notches on the headlight. So fitting it back again, don't forget to put the rubber grommet on the back. Then it's just a case of getting the notches lined up with the adjuster screws. Have your screw ready, because it won't stay there otherwise. You see I put a bit of copper slip on some of these screws so they don't totally corrode in the meantime. I'll probably replace them with the fitting kit for the screws in the not too distant future. There we go, make sure it's solid. There's a bit of movement in the headlight, but that's actually normal. I did check the headlight before it came off and there's a tiny bit of movement, but I don't think it'll rattle particularly much. And there we go, new headlight fitted, easy as that. Now all you got to do is put the trim back on, indicator and side lights and the plastic trim, and then check the headlights still work. Dip beam, full beam. There we go. I hope this video is succinct and gave you some clarity over what all these screws do. If this video has been useful to you, think about giving a thumbs up, maybe subscribe if you're interested in Land Rovers. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.